Here is the step-by-step on how to apply for your Polish work visa. And there is also going to be 100 euros giveaway today. If you have anything less than 160 hours, 160 working hours per month, you are going to be denied your visa. Hello everyone, and how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Raphael. You know how we do it on this show. I feed you with the latest and the best information that is going to assist you on your journey to Europe. On today's edition, we are going to be talking about the step-by-step on how you can apply for your Polish work visa. So I get a lot of questions from so many people telling me, okay, how can we apply for the Polish work visa? Okay, I have gotten the document, I have done this, I have done that. What is the process? Outline it. So in order to stop answering and replying to so many people, at different points in time, I'm going to make this video today that is going to clarify the step-by-step on how to apply for your Polish work visa. If you want more videos like this, feel free to like this video, feel free to share it out to someone, and also please subscribe to the YouTube channel for amazing videos like this. So before we jump into this video, this is actually the first video I am making on this channel since we clocked 1,000 subscribers. So I am going to be giving away 100 euros to one lucky subscriber today. If you want to be that lucky subscriber to take away the 100 euros, here is what you have to do. Number one, watch this video to the end. Number two, tell me how many emojis you can see before the 6th minute of this video. Take a screenshot of those emojis and send it to my Instagram handle, and you might just be the lucky subscriber to go home with 100 euros. Please, I am begging you to watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to add a bonus tip which no agent will ever tell you about your work permit. So if you have a work permit right now on your hand, watch this video to the end, because you are going to see something that might cost you denial if you do not listen to that part of this video. So please watch this video to the end, and I'm going to share that bonus tip with you. The first and most important step for applying for a successful work visa is get financially ready. Now this is, in fact, I would say the most important step before you even think about applying for the Polish work visa. Now this is particularly for those who have not started applying at all. Maybe you are still in the process of thinking. Okay, the first thing is to be financially prepared. Now traveling to Europe or doing anything concerning traveling abroad is always financially draining. So I would advise that the first thing you must do is to get financially prepared. Get yourself ready for this journey, and when you are ready, when you have at least enough finances set aside or laid down, then you can go ahead with your work permit. Step number two, apply for jobs online or contact agencies that can help you get jobs in Poland. This step is very important because it is the second most important step. After you have the money, the next thing you have to do is to move into looking for the job. You have to have your work contract. Okay, now if you have been following this channel for quite some time, you will see that I dropped a video on how to spot scams. Okay, because so many people get scammed at this point, looking for a job or maybe looking for agencies to help you out with the work permit. You can get scammed at this point. So go and watch my video on how to watch out for scams, so that you can at least make sure that you are meeting the right agency to secure a job for you, or you are getting job from a valid and reliable company in Poland. Step number three, go and book an appointment. Now somebody will be like, how are you telling us to book an appointment as the third step when we don't even have any documentation? Yes, go and book an appointment. Presently now, booking an appointment has become hell. In fact, it's something that is the most difficult part of applying for a visa right now, booking an appointment. And currently it takes up to 1 month. In fact, those who are applying, those who are getting dates now are getting dates for next month. So you understand what I mean? Once you have your documents, go and book your appointment date. Once you have your work permit document, the next thing should be go and book an appointment date. Do not wait till you are completely ready with every other document before you book an appointment date. Book it as the third thing you will do in the scale of the importance of work permit application. Step number 4 would be proceed to detailed documentation. Now, after you have booked an appointment date, the next thing you are going to do is to proceed to detailed documentation. While you wait for your appointment to be confirmed or whatever, proceed to detailed documentation. And the most important part of a detailed documentation is actually your proof of funds. Of course, the importance of proof of funds cannot be overstressed, because traveling outside right now, even if it's for job or for studies or for anything, you have to prove that you have a certain amount of money. Okay, if you are sponsoring yourself, and also you have to have your sponsorship details if someone is sponsoring you. Okay, now this is also a very important part. Your sponsorship details that are legally tied. Even if this person is your brother, even if this person is your mother, even if this person is your father, you also have to have legal ties to this person, meaning that there should be a sworn affidavit in the high court. This is very important, and this is something that you will not hear from anywhere, because people feel that you just have a sponsor and that is just it. No. Even if this sponsor has your name as stated on the website, you should also provide a legal backing to solidify the person as your sponsor. As part of the detailed documentation will also have to be your travel document. Okay, now travel documents here will include your flight booking. It will also include your insurance. Now this is if your company is not covering your insurance. Now you also get your insurance. When you have your insurance, you also get your house contract. Now this is very dicey, because so many people you want to come to Poland for 1 year, but then you make a hotel reservation of 2 months. Instead of you to actually have a full 1 year contract, you make a hotel reservation for just few months. Okay, so these documents have to all be piled together. Make a 1 year document, your 1 year house contract, and add it to your detailed document. Okay, so when you have this document ready, then you proceed to the next step, which is submission at the embassy. Make sure you also go and watch my video where I talked about the 10 questions you are possibly going to face at the embassy while you are submitting your document. Now here is for the bonus part of the video. As I promised, this is what no agent will tell you, this is what nobody will tell you. Please make sure that your work contract has at least a minimum of 160 hours per month for you to work. If you have anything less than 160 hours, 160 working hours per month, you are going to be denied your visa on the grounds of not enough work time. It is very clear now. I've seen people that have been denied visa because of this. Please and please make sure that your work contract, it is written and stated clearly that you are working for full time and a minimum of 160 hours per month. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I love all of you. I'll be watching out in my inbox for those who are going to participate in this 100 euros giveaway, and I'm going to announce the winner of this giveaway in my next video. Bye bye.